Welcome again to KKY Maths Clinic. All right, so we're going to be looking at reflection. This is another aspect of transformation geometry. We've previously learned how to do translations, and now here we are. Reflection. All right, very quickly we get to it. Now, you can see some of the picture reflections on the screen. We're going to be looking at some examples right away. All right, so let's start. Here we have an object and the image. So I'm sure you're wondering, how did they get the image? Okay, for clarity's sake, the object is the original shape. The image is what we get after the reflection has taken place, after the transformation has taken place. All right, so let's figure out, how did they get this image? Very easy. Now, all you have to do is go to the corner of each shape and count the distance of each corner from the mirror line. Then count the same distance on the opposite side of the mirror line, and there you get where you reflect it. Let's start with A. Now, this is A, 1 and 2 and 3. 3 units from the mirror line. Beautiful. So on the same place, let's count in the opposite direction. 1, 2, and 3. And you see where A was reflected. That is how the reflection was done. Same thing goes for B. We have 1, just 1 unit. And then on the other side, 1. And that's how B was reflected. Oh my God, this is so easy. Let's look at C. Okay, 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units. Let's go to the other side of the mirror line. 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units. That is how C was reflected. That's so beautiful, isn't it? Yes, it is. So that is, and then all they had to do after that is join all the corners together, and then we have our image. Let's look at another example. All right, here we go. This is another one. Now the object is on the left-hand side and the image is on the right-hand side. Let's see how they did this also. Okay, corner A from the mirror line, we have 2 units. And then 2 units on the opposite side, we can see where A is reflected. Corner B, 2 units on the other side, we see where B is reflected. Same thing for C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 on the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can see where C is reflected. Same thing for D, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on the other opposite direction, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's where D was reflected. So you can see this is just how a reflection of the image is gotten, of the object, is gotten. Now let's go to the other part. Let's reflect this one together. Let's start with C. 2 units from the mirror line. Oh, so we have to go 2 units in the opposite direction. And then we get where to reflect our C. So our C will be reflected right here. Okay, let's do for B. B, 1, 2, and 3. So 3 in the opposite direction, 1, 2, and 3. So that's where B will be reflected right here. B will be reflected. This is where my corner B is reflected. Now let's look at A. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 5 in the opposite direction is there, right there. So, and that is where A will be reflected right here. So this is my A, the reflection of A. Okay, so now we can join the points together to see our reflected shape. This will be the image. So we have this, and from this to Oden, we can join this, and then we join this. So this is the image of that shape. Okay, I'd like to hear your comments in the comment section. I'd like to know how you found this. Was it clear? Was it easy? Do you need me to throw more light? How well did you like reflection in transformation geometry? Once again, I'm KKY. Thank you for watching.